Oh, Elite, how I love thee. I'm super excited to open this box. I know it's not the newest, it's last year's Elite, but the 17 rookie class is good, and I love Elite, and I liked 18 okay, but I like 17 better. So I'm really happy that that rookie class has done well and really basically gave me a reason to buy this box. I actually scored a pretty good deal on this on eBay. I got it for a good bit lower than the major card sites are selling it for, so that was another reason to snatch this up. There are 20 packs, 5 cards per pack, 2 autographs, including 1 on-card pen pals. The pen pals are super clean, good looking, as it says on card. They are sweet autographs. If you can get a good player of that, then you're a lucky guy or gal. I did not pull anybody really good. Well, I pulled actually maybe I did. I think I pulled a OJ Howard, and there's different ink variations of red ink of his, I believe. It was either him or Kenyon Drake. No, Drake is 16, so it must have been OJ Howard. Man, I'm excited about this. I don't even want to get into it because it'll be over as soon as I get started. Alright. Definitely hoping for a good auto, but with the 17 product, sure hoping for some good rookies, and Elite has some really good parallels. Alright, let's get started with Tevin Coleman, Tom Brady. My first parallel is a Phillip Rivers to 149. Matt Ryan and Adrian Peterson. Russell Wilson, Jalen Ramsey, an OJ Howard rookie elitist. Good looking insert there. Carlos Hyde and Blake Bortles. Alright, Brandon Marshall, Golden Tate, a Wayne Gallman pen pal. Not terrible. Obviously not one of the top, but definitely not the bottom either. He's got a pretty good signature. Black ink on card. It's okay. Sterling Shepard and Paxton Lynch. This pack feels thicker. Might have it's either a filler or a jersey card, one or the other. Mike Evans, Phillip Rivers. It's an Alshon Jeffrey parallel to 149, and that was a filler. Ajay and Alshon Jeffrey. Khalil Mack, Devontae Adams. Here is a Zach Ertz to 14, a red aspiration super short print. Too bad he is not in the best of shape right this second. Derek Carr and Aaron Rodgers. Deion Lewis, Corey Coleman, Eddie George, and Ezekiel Elliott. Ohio State college ties. Stephon Diggs and Isaiah Crowell. Alex Smith, Julio, Field Vision, Vinatieri, Allen Robinson, Devonta Freeman, Marvin Jones Jr., Thomas Rawls, fired up Von Miller, numbered out of 99. It's a red parallel. Stafford and Curley, still no rookie cards. Oof. Should get one or two numbered rookies out of here. Melvin Gordon, McCoy, and there's one. It's Raekwon McMillan. God, I've pulled so many Raekwon McMillan cards lately. It's ridiculous. Dalton and Forte. Montgomery, Mariota, Tidal Waves, Tom Brady, Andrew Luck, and Carson Palmer. Jordan Matthews, Jadeveon Clowney, a Sidney Jones to $4.99. Antonio Brown and Frank Gore. Edelman, Elliott, a Travin Doral to $149. Paul Perkins and CJ Anderson. Kelsey, Kenneth Dixon. Here's a LaShawn McCoy Pro Bowl standouts, I guess patch. Just got a little stitching there to 99. I like McCoy. So I'm definitely happy with this as a jersey card. Donald and Benjamin. Michael Thomas, Cole Beasley, home field advantage, Landon Collins. J.J. Watt and Robert Kelly. I think we've still got one more autograph coming. We're down to the last couple of packs here. Or did I already get one and forget? Jared Goff, Cam Newton, Jalen Ramsey to 24. Sweet looking parallel. Man, those parallels look so good. Man. Bradford and Hill. Lamar Miller, Derrick Henry, Mara Darbo rookie to $4.99. Hilton and Fitzgerald. Des Bryant, Zach Ertz, Spellbound Ezekiel Elliott T to $2.99. Thomas and Rogers. Tyrod Taylor, Drew Brees, Man Coverage, Kevin Green, Jordan Howard and Odell Beckham. Last two packs. If I can get into this one. Jordy, Winston, a Curly to 149. Reed and Tannehill, and the last pack. Did I get my 2 autographs? I think I've only got one. Can't. Yeah. Oh, there it is. Let's see who it is. Pryor, Cooper. It is a Corey Clement to 49. Turn of the century. Good looking card. Wish it was a better player. He's alright. Dang. Yeah, I don't know. I think I kind of got burnt on this one. Dwayne Gallman, and Corey Clement, definitely, yeah, my parallels. They could have been better people. You know, you win some, you lose some. I think I kind of lost on this. I think my favorite card, yeah, my rookies were just brutal too. The Ramsey to 24, but this is my favorite card. It's not often I say that jersey card's my favorite, but that's my favorite, I think. Let's see. Truthfully, I like Zach Ertz a lot. That's really a gorgeous card. 14. And that Gallman looks pretty good, but I'm sticking with the shady. That's my favorite card of this box. All right, what did you guys think? Should I get another one? I don't know. That was pretty brutal. Let me know what you think. Let me know which other 2017 boxes I've skipped over. Something else that might offer some potential base value, some rookies, so that if the hits aren't all that great, doesn't feel so bad. No tears in my beer. That kind of stuff. So everybody take care. I'll be back with my next box break soon.